Lo world bro Yumi today. He got full up hard time where start come lo Yumi 1-1. Suppose him school or with them work or problem where stop inside or get the family bro Yumi. By Yumi everyone he look or get the problem yeah lo life bro Yumi. Mo emi hard. Emi hard to mas lo Yumi everyone. One something we me been look lo life bro me. Say me got a problem bro me, or get something way me no strong lem, or something way me sabe come more good though or get that. Be me been look say me no been sabe make him something yeah me one no more. Be time way me been look gospel bro Jisas Kraes mo Papa God mo how now or get the is that help him you me lo day bro you me or them or get the talk bro get the or get the prophet bro before, mo get the prophet now yeah. Me been look say, oh get the good to mas. Me been had him fought up something lo life bro me way me been fed him say he hard to mas lo me. Well me know when sorry suppose me sorry go forward with them life bro me. But when something no more way me start think about and me say Papa God mo Jesus Christ he love him you me everyone. By olgeta he never let them you me stop you me 1-1 lo wall yeah. By olgeta he all time stop with them you me. Even suppose you me feel him say you me stop you me 1. Lo wool here, be all time will get they stop, or get the angel, but get they stop, but help him you me, but lift them up you me, but help him you me come more strong, lo faith bro you me, lo or get that. Mo no matter one way start come bro kill him you me, suppose you me had him say you me want them sit down, mo stop, mo you me no want them walk back again. By Papa God mo Jesus Christ he come, by will get the he had him will get the hard time bro you me, by olgeta all time help him you me bro stand up back again, mo bro go forward with them life bro you me. From olgeta you love him you me everyone, mo by olgeta you give hand lo you me all time. Suppose you me need them help, but you mean just need them ask him olgeta no more. Mo by olgeta you give him a blessing, he come lo you me all time every day. And me want something we been look time we been stop lo way lo Vanuatu. Mo time we stop bia lo US. Time we been stop with someone pikinini mo naya time we stop with someone man we start school. Me had him say he got fought up hard time we start come to me. Mo he got fought up something we me no been think say by happen lo me. Mo me shake time will get to something here he start come bro. Killing me or bro carry me come down. Lo or get the ting or heart bro me. Be me save say Papa God even stop with me all time. My me one strong testimony way me save give him lo you. Say Papa God mo Jesus Christ he love him you me everyone. I will get they never let go you me. Even suppose you me had him one big father too dark he stop. Suppose you me wait. But you me save look him light back again. Look him light where Jesus Christ he start at him. Lo gospel blah him. Mo wetem him, from him he light bro world bro you me. Mo Papa God even send him Jesus Christ, bro save dead lo you me, bro mean him say, bro make him say you me save life back again. Mo you me save go forward, from him even had him every something, way you me star had him now ya lo life bro you me. From Papa God mo Jesus Christ he good to mas, so get the wise to mas. Mo me save say olgeta, you love him you me everyone. Mo too, especially old man way stop lo Vanuatu. Me been had him love bro Papa God mo Jesus Christ, lo old man bro Vanuatu. Time way me been stop lo way. Mo me save say olgeta you love him you, bigwan. Mo by olgeta you stop all time with him you, bro help him you. Mo for up time, every something where you must make him. Suppose you start had him say hard to mas. By me asking you, bro, kneel down, lo too far leg bro you. Mo pray, you go to Papa God. Mo ask him, bro, head him love, blah him. Mo love, bro, Jesus Christ. Mo suppose you start head him say, you know, sabe head him love, bro, get that. Me start telling him you, him yes, Satan, you always start giving one gammon talk to you. You sabe head him get, you sabe head him love, bro, get that back in. Mo me sabe say, oh, get this something you need to do. Mo Papa God mo Jesus Christ stop life now yeah. Mo get the love him you me everyone full up to mas. Mo me start him short testimony below me, lo name below Jesus Christ. Amen.